Welcome to 1504 Brigadoon. This is a recently renovated townhouse in the center of Clearwater, Florida. We have another tape that shows you the road to Brigadoon, and another video as well that will show you the upstairs. The house on the first floor, where you are now, has a living room with a dining area, a half bath, throughout much of the house you will see the use of the new 32-inch ceramic tiles, which I think are about as good as it gets. The kitchen, back porch. The house is located in Clearwater's greenbelt, and there is greenery all around it, hiking trails, a lake. The house has a clubhouse that is absolutely gorgeous with a fantastic pool. And brand new carpeting, brand new paint. There is a brand new roof as well. And in the next video we will be taking you upstairs. House is available a number of different ways. It's all of the old-fashioned stuff that you know about. It can be sold for cash. It could be sold for financing from a bank or from a mortgage company. It's also available as an exchange. If someone had something of value that they wanted to exchange for a home, we would entertain that. It also is a possibility of owner financing with a large down payment, and it also has the possibility of a lease option with a option premium payment that would be $20,000. So the move-in that way would be $21,500. But it's available several different ways, which most houses are not, and it is, as you can see, gorgeous and elegant. For more information, call George Beardsley, most flexible landlord seller on the planet. I have a real estate license. If you deal with me directly, you pay no real estate commission.